Crispy outer coating, buttery eggplant inside with a hint of curry flavor. This is my very favorite fried brinjal with tips and tricks to make it the crispiest one. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bombi. So, eggplant or brinjal or aubergine, no matter in which part of the world you are in and how you want to call it, take a medium-sized one. Keeping the stem end intact, cut it lengthwise into half. Then cut each half into sections in such a way that it looks like a fan. Lay them out on a colander and sprinkle a liberal amount of salt all over them. What the salt does here is it takes out the liquid and bitterness from the eggplant. As a result, we get crispy pakoras, or else the eggplant is going to release its moisture when it hits the hot oil, resulting in the outer coating getting soggy and oily. Leave like this for about an hour or 30 minutes if you're in a rush. Coming to the batter, we need gram flour, that is besan, which is the base for any pakora recipe. But I know not all of you will have access to an Indian grocery store. So don't worry, my friends. You can even use garbanzo bean flour or maybe just regular all-purpose flour. Gram flour has this beautiful nutty kind of a taste to it, which I love, but don't worry if you cannot find it. If you are using gram flour or garbanzo bean flour, then pass it through a strainer. I think this is the best way to get rid of any lumps. To this, add water little by little to form a smooth batter. Do not add water all in one go, as then it will be very hard to get the smooth consistency. Add a little bit of baking powder. It makes the batter light and fluffy. Then to spice up everything, some curry powder. I like adding spices to almost everything. And some salt. You want the batter to be on the thinner side, unlike a pakora batter. We are using it not as a coating for this recipe, but as a glue. So we are looking for a thin batter like this. Coming back to the eggplants, see how much water has come out from them. Next, again to ensure that we get a crispy coating, press them gently in paper towels to remove all that liquid that has collected on the surface. Today I'm on a crispy mission, so I'm doing all these extra steps, but it will pay off at the end, my friends. Just trust me. Okay, next coming to my breading station, I have taken some all-purpose flour. Just dust the eggplant lightly with some flour. Again, we are doing this step to make the surface dry. Shake off the excess flour, then dip it in the batter. Coat it very well on both the sides. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Try using one hand for dry ingredients and the other for wet. Press the crumbs on the eggplant so that they stick well. After breading, leave them for about 15 minutes so that the breadcrumbs get well set. Heat your oil for frying. You want your oil hot enough but not too hot. Again, I like doing the stick test for this. Those gentle and steady stream of bubbles signify the oil has reached the right temperature. No bubbles, you have to heat up the oil more. Or if the bubbles go wild, then you have to bring down the temperature by lowering the heat of your stove. Then add the eggplant with the skin side facing up towards you. Keep the heat of your stove on medium so that the exterior doesn't turn brown too soon before the interior gets cooked. Turn it once you see that little golden brown color forming. And look at that beauty. Such a joy to keep on looking at it. I mean, I like this more than fried chicken. No kidding. Keep it a few more minutes on the other side, then take it out on a paper towel. Let's finish frying the rest as my teenager is getting too impatient now. The outer coating is extra crispy and the eggplant still stays juicy inside. The best part is it stays crispy for quite a while after frying. Serve this with any kind of sauce or chutney of your choice. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding any recipe, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. This is Boombi, and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.